morning, students. Now today I am just going to take this computer class, and the topic is parts of computer. Children, just look at in the board. Here is some important and basic part of the computer. I have made some pictures. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. There are two speakers, and this one is printer. Now next is some brief introduction about computer. Is a computer is an electronic machine that processes data. Information given to the computer is called data. What is data? Whatever information we given to the system, to the computer, it's called data. Computer works very fast. As I told you earlier, computer runs very fast. Whatever we do in the system, it runs fast and it gives us accurate result. It saves your time and energy. Suppose manually if we are doing anything on the system or on the manually any work, so it takes time. But if we are doing in system, in a machine, computer, so it saves your time and energy also. It does not make mistake. Computer does not make any mistakes. It can remember a lot of things. As a human being, we forgot something sometimes or some days. But machine cannot forget anything. It can capture, it can learn so many things. Now students, the basic part of computer systems are, I am going to note it down in the board. Basic parts of computer system are, first is monitor. I am going to write one line uses so that you can easily know what parts or what computer functions work properly. What is monitor? A monitor looks like a TV. It shows whatever you type. Monitor looks like a TV. It shows whatever we text on the screen or whatever we type, we see on the screen, so it is called a monitor. Next is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. What is CPU? All information or all the inputs is stored and arranged changed by a computer. Students, what is CPU? CPU means all the inputs, whatever we stored and arranged or changed by a computer, So this is called the CPU. It is a processing device. CPU is a processing device. Next is keyboard. What is keyboard? Keyboard is used to entering data, it is used for entering data into the computer. It can type, what? Words, numbers, symbols. Do you know this thing? I hope you got it. What is keyboard? It is used for entering data. Data means whatever we instruct or whatever we feed into the system. So it is all by using keyboard. What is like words? Suppose we are going to write an essay or an application and a speech. So this is the word form. Number means whatever we have to do calculations, add, subtract, multiplication, whatever we do in numbers, so we feed into the computer. And symbols, as we are looking in Androids in our system, so this thing we have to feed or we have to type on the computer by using keyboard. Next is mouse. Mouse is also an input device. It is a pointing device. It is a pointing device. Children, pointing means in the monitor you have seen an arrow like this. This type of arrow you see in a monitor. So, but if we are using mouse, so this type of thing, this type of arrow, it shows in the monitor. So that's why we call it as a pointing device. We have to click, or it is this type of things is blinking on the screen. So we can get, oh, mouse is running or mouse is working well. So mouse is a pointing device. You can give input to the computer. We have to also use mouse for inputs, for give inputs to the computer. You can use mouse to give input to the computer. It is a pointing device. You can use the mouse to give input to the computer with the help of mouse. Okay. Now next is what is printer? A printer is a device that accepts text is a device that accepts text and graphics output. A printer is a device that a printer is a device that accepts text and graphics output from a computer and transfer informations to paper. Information on a paper, you can say. So printer actually whatever we take in a text mode or printing sheets, so we use printer. If we are doing anything, academic task, academic work, school work, so we need to take that sheets on a paper. So we use printer for printing. It is an output device. So it takes data. It takes we can transfer the information on the printer. So printer gives the result output on a paper. So we can use these things very in an easy way, in an easy form in our daily life. So children, these are some basic parts of the computer. Nowadays we have to, it is very important in our daily lives. So we are connected with these parts in all over. So now children, I am just going to give you an assignment to do. You will have to complete at your home on your notebook. Children, I have a question for you. What you have to do in your notebook? Write 2 lines uses of these parts in your notebook. Whatever I just explained you here, these important parts of computer, you have to write the name like monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse,